Let's see. Alright. So, welcome back to another episode of Lost. And, yeah, we are just done fortifying the base. Okay, let's get in here. Yeah, got some glass. Some more. But yeah. So, as you recall, last episode we were working on the fences, and today we are doing the same thing again. So, let's just make some more sticks. Get that in there. There. And here. Let's get those fences going. Yep, fences, more fences as well. And obviously we need torches to light up this whole place. So, yeah. Got in there. Alright, let's go. Holy crap, a lot of mobs out there. Yeah, and we also want to make sure we want to light up our base too. We don't want anything spawning in here. And I'm just doing another every two because I don't want to waste my torches here. Great scenery right there. A lot of water. And I think I'm gonna put some more stone slabs here later. And yeah. Oh, so much holes there too. Oh my god, see, look, there's so much like monsters right there. Alright, whatever. Get the fences and hurry up and place. Oh my god, skeletons. Oh, there's a skeleton coming right at me. Alright. Place it in, hurry. He's coming. Oh, I'm hit. Come on. Oh. Alright, you know what? That's it. I'm gonna get you. Where's my diamond sword? Oh. It's a mob attack right now. Die. Alright, we're not gonna attack the Enderman. He's a nice guy. He didn't attack us. Alright, come on. Gotta get this done. You can see my buddy right there. Fixing the place. Alright, and place one right here. Great, where's my axe? There we go. Just fix that. So much mobs out there. Right. Let's go place some more torches before any more mobs spawn. Oops. Alright, place it there. Okay, we'll grab that. No. Okay. Yeah, place that one right there. I know I do every two, but you know, I don't accept. Oh, here comes it. Okay, here comes the mobs now. Oh my god, 4-on-1. I can take care of this. Oh my god, 5-on-1 now. Kill him! Get that. Oh, what the hell? How the hell did he do that? What? They can't jump up. Creeper! Oh. Okay. We're saved. We only have one life left. We're good. Alright, place the fences. Alright, we're fine. That was really... I could have died there. See what we don't need. I need to collect all the sand though. Don't need that piece of dirt though. Alright, I need to cover this hole. And there's my buddy again. Okay, that was crazy. Right. Let's see what. Oh, I wanted to make a pressure plate, but I think I can't make a pressure plate, so I need to. Oh, there goes another creeper. But no, yeah, I need to make pressure plates. Cause like when I always open the door, it's a pain in the butt. Okay, I'm just gonna make fence gates, cause like, you know, creeper could come in there. So I just got an extra 2 for the dock back there. So I think it'll be nice. And what? How do I? Can I? Oh yeah, fences can go there. It's hard to say. Great, great. Oh, we got a stone slab there. We have so much stuff that we don't need, but I'm just keeping it because I'm a hoarder. I actually don't hoard in real life, but I just keep things in Minecraft. You never know. It could always be. Oh, there's a creeper. Creeper stuck in the. No. Oh, okay. Yeah. Could you fix that for me? Yeah, thanks. Okay. Let's go fix up these other holes. Alright, big hole. Oh, there comes the spider. Alright. Get it. Oh my god, zombie! Zombie! Ah, die! Alright, we're gonna just gotta fix up this hole right here. Great. We ran out of sand. We ran out of sand. What are we gonna do now? There's a sound block right there. I think I'll just take that and just place it randomly here. I don't know. Oh, I have those fence gates, but oh, my cousin already placed one. That's weird. Just made fun. Oh, spider! Kill it with the shovel! Kill it with the shovel! Kill it with the torch! Oh no, not kill it with the sword. Oh yeah. Okay, there's another. Oh frick! Die! All right. Let's get some more. Oh my god! There's another spider. Come here. Die. Great. You already made it. Collect all of these. And yeah, see, he can't come in the gate, huh? Can't jump over the fence, boy. Well, except for that one skeleton. He jumped over the fence for some reason. I don't know how. And damn it. Okay. I need to construct a new thing, but I think this is great already. I just need to fix up that little hole. Creeper! Okay, great. Now this would be a great opportunity to place our torches during the day. Because at night we have a big problem with those monsters. Getting quite hungry. Actually, I'm hungry. It's early in the morning and I'm already hungry. Let's see. Place it there. There. Oh, there's my friend. There, good. Great, great, great. Oh, there's that big hole that we heard last night. It's creeper. Alright, we ran out of torches. Yeah, you see Mr. Poop, he already lit up the whole place, so I don't think I need to do that. Let's see, great, great, great. Let's go and place some more torches around here. Set there. I guarantee you guys this will be fantastic at the end. Like, this would be just amazing. Look at our mini dock. Looks fantastic. But we just need to upgrade our dock. Make it bigger. Alright. Fence gates, we don't really need it. But we're just gonna place it here for the dock. Okay, let's place some more torches down. And oh yeah, I need to put 2 here so it indicates where we could leave and where we could enter. Wow, I'm getting pretty hungry right now. Oops. Take that out. Great. And another big hole created by a creeper. But no, I don't think this was created by a creeper. I think this was created by the jet engine that was that exploded. So one of my friends stepped on the pressure plate and then boom, exploded. But he survived, which is a miracle. Getting hungry, but I don't have any more sand. We need to look for more sand. Alright, but you know what? Let's just continue lighting up the place, and I think we could get this done by today. Alright. So, upon playing this map, I thought, why don't we play the Walking Dead map? But I don't think anybody has really created the Walking Dead map, so if there is any, message me, send me the link to a map. And like, I need a survival map. Like, I'm looking for like a city that you can play in, a big city, and like there's zombies, not like the Fallout one, because we've recently played that with Combat Man, but looking for something similar like it. But there's no like skeletons. It's all like zombies. It's just a zombie map. Okay, great. Okay, so the whole place is lit up. Wow, that is a lot of torches. It's probably a couple hundred of them. I don't think we need this one and this one. Save some torches. Right, place that down here. Make sure this place is lit up. Don't want anything spawning in here during the night. Right, it's there. Place some randomly. It's great we have those flames because like it's just, oh, there's just like this big hole right here. Nah. That's where that's where the engine was. The engine was here, but now it's not, because my cousin stepped on the pressure plate and the thing exploded. So much TNT inside. It's a pretty big boom. Okay, let's just head back. I'm I'm still hungry. I haven't ate yet because I need to get this place done. It could actually save me 2 seconds every time I eat. Save me 2 seconds of my life. Okay, great. Now let's light up this place like this. And like that. Oh, my cousin made made a ladder here. What is he doing here? It's nothing. It's just going up to the place that we could actually do something here. Actually, I'm not quite sure what to do here, but I think my cousin can figure something out. Or Combat Man, but Combat Man is he's living in a different area though, so he's nowhere near our base right here. He's like in the middle of a jungle or something. Alright. Okay, the reason I'm putting torches here is because this is a pretty large space and mobs can spawn. I'm not just doing this for the decor, but mobs can actually spawn here, so I'm just gonna do that. Oh, once a creeper actually spawned on the ledge of the, like right here where I'm standing. A creeper actually spawned right here. It was hilarious. Alright, let's see what we got. Like, I'm so into it. I'm not even eating anything. I need to get so much things done. Okay, we got our stone. So now we can make our stone pressure plates. Great. Pressure plates. See, how cool is that? Wow. Okay. Put there and put that there. Okay, we only have one pressure plate left, and I think I'll just keep that for later maybe. Okay, what else can we do? What else are we gonna cook here? I got some raw fish, but you know what? That's gonna be a waste of coal though. I'll just put that on my foods section. Okay. Oh, we can't make stairs. Oh no. Oh, damn it. Okay, no stone stairs. I thought I could make stone stairs, but I guess I just have, you know what, I'll just make some stone slabs with this. Okay, now I need to fix this part here, because it looks kind of weird without the oh, wait. Did my cousin do it? No, he didn't do it. Alright, just press it there, there, and oh, I'm missing a couple more, so let's go make some more. What is he doing out there? Make some more stone slabs, and let's go. Sun's almost down. Alright, let's eat. Okay, great. Okay, let's just take this out because I don't think we need this really. Like, it's part of the plane, I know, but I don't think it looks cool like this. It's just in the air. Like, there's no gravity in Minecraft, like, really. Well, that's part of the game, right? Okay, it's nighttime and... Well, actually, I purposely didn't put a window, like, right there, like a glass right there. Because, like, There's like sometimes monsters spawn in the like in the big ocean, and then I could just snipe them from here. I also did it for this one here too. And yeah.